BT YouView boxes continue to experience recording failures in 2025. Understanding these common issues and knowing immediate solutions can save you from missing your favorite shows. The most common YouView recording problems include partial recordings that stop midway through shows, failed series recordings that miss episodes, storage-related errors, network connectivity issues affecting catch-up services, and timer conflicts leading to missed recordings. The first troubleshooting step is performing a soft reset. Simply hold the standby button on your YouView box for 10 seconds. This clears temporary glitches without affecting your recordings. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a factory reset through the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset. This will restore default settings but may delete some recordings. Storage problems are a major cause of recording failures. Your YouView box needs at least 20% free space to record reliably. Delete old recordings, clear the cache through the Service menu, and maintain adequate free space. Network connectivity issues can cause recording failures, especially with catch-up services. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for better stability. Reset both your router and YouView box simultaneously to refresh the connection. Updating your DNS settings can resolve connectivity issues that affect recording reliability. Set your primary DNS to 8.88.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. These Google DNS servers often provide more stable connections than default ISP settings. These immediate troubleshooting steps can resolve most common YouView recording issues. Start with a soft reset, manage your storage space, optimize your network connection, and update DNS settings. These basic fixes often restore reliable recording functionality without needing technical support. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your BT YouView recording issues, it's time to implement advanced solutions and establish a preventive maintenance routine. First, let's address timer conflicts. These occur when multiple recordings are scheduled simultaneously, causing some to fail. The solution is systematic timer management. Next, force a firmware update through your Settings menu. Navigate to System Settings, then Software Update. Additionally, you may need to reset the recording database through the hidden Service menu. Hardware issues can also cause recording failures. Check all cable connections, including aerial, HDMI, and Ethernet cables. Ensure your YouView box has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating. Prevention is better than cure. Establishing a regular maintenance routine will help avoid future recording issues. Let's break this down into weekly, monthly, and quarterly tasks. Weekly tasks are quick checks that take just a few minutes. Check your available storage space, review upcoming recordings for potential conflicts, and restart your box during off-peak hours. Monthly tasks involve deeper maintenance. Clear old recordings and cache data to free up space, check for firmware updates, and test your network connection speed to ensure optimal performance. Quarterly tasks are more comprehensive. Perform a full system reset and reconfiguration, review and optimize your series link settings, and check all hardware connections and ventilation systems. If problems persist despite following these advanced solutions and maintenance routines, it's time to contact BT support. This is especially important if hardware replacement is needed, or if your device is still under warranty coverage. By implementing these advanced solutions and following a regular maintenance schedule, you can maximize the reliability of your BT YouView box's recording functionality and minimize future issues.